Hey, it's June. It's the first week here with Carol
and Debbie.
So our headliner from Realtor.com this week is the housing market is going to outperform the rest of the economy this year. Super summer, whereas it was the housing that led us into that great recession of 2007 to 2009.
Yikes.
Housing market took us down. But they're saying that it could be the housing that leads us back out.
I know. I'm excited about that.
I am too, but let's see what exciting things are going on at the Clubhouse.
Okay. Well, the course was closed yesterday and now once again today. We just want to let you know they applied a curfew application on the greens, trees, and fairway. So during this time, there is no one to be on the golf course. Not just golf carts and people golfing, but no biking, no walking, no dog walking, no fishing even in the lakes. It's quite aggressive, a little smelly. That'll go away. But it is a fumigant that kills a parasite that kills the turf and greens. So it's pretty darn strong. So just stay away. And Lori, speaking of the golf course, has been such an amazing addition to the Rosedale management team. She has that golf course going in such a positive way, doesn't she, Carol?
I heard nothing but good reports on Lori.
She's amazing. As a matter of fact, the next project to be coming will be in July. They're going to be redoing the tee boxes. So nothing but improvements there. And it's a really great time to be a Rosedale golf member. That's for sure. And back to our number one subject. Actually, it's tied with Rosedale, right?
That's right. And it's real estate.
Real estate.
We love to talk about real estate. So while a lot of us may be feeling that the economy was in a free fall, we've been shut in for a couple months. Everything kind of stopped. The people were getting a little nervous watching their stocks bump around. So the sellers quickly pulled those for sale signs down, and the buyers just retreated. It was a pandemic. But that was like hitting a pause button, and that pause is going away.
It is.
So as the states reopen, our summer market is really taking off. It looks like it's going to be hotter than anyone anticipated. Mortgage applications are up this year versus last year, an impressive almost 9%, 8.7%. So buyers are racing to lock in. And they said the week ending May 22nd, you could get a mortgage as low as 3.08.
I know.
Makes me want to go out and buy something.
I know.
So this is a bigger rebound than the chief economist from Realtor.com even anticipated. It's a sign that we saw a delay in our season, but we're on track. We are seeing that things are materializing now.
Yeah.
So watch out for June and July. We normally see our sales bump up in that March-April time frame, and we were all sitting at home watching Netflix. But now, and they were also watching our videos and our virtual tours, our 3D tours.
Stay tuned in.
That's right. So the recovery is coming, and it looks like the idea of the home buying process is really taking off.
And fast.
And our sellers or our buyers, we're seeing a bigger tick now with the millennials.
Yes.
Millennials, that age group is around 40, almost 40.
Yeah.
And, from 25 to 40.
Well, they don't want to rent anymore.
No, they've been out renting.
Not smart.
And they see those low rates.
Sure.
So, and they're in more the technical jobs. They feel very secure. And they're out buying, with the low rates. So real estate may be viewed again as a safe asset to invest in.
Yeah.
People used to invest in real estate for that big gain. But, there's a lot to be said for safe assets.
Yes.
And
you should be diversified anyway. And real estate is more secure.
So what more to put it in your own home?
Yes.
Despite of the encouraging national numbers, it looks like things are going to be coming back roaring, and I sure hope so.
Me too.
Sellers haven't come back as quickly as buyers, which means our inventory's low.
That's right.
That's right. So
You're thinking about listing.
That's right. This can result in a bit higher prices as the summer goes on. More folks are going to be out there competing for home sales, and our inventory is low.
Yeah.
So again, we're watching the millennials. We are watching the rates, and we're watching you come back into the market.
Until then,
See you later, alligator.
after a while, crocodiles.